part 5 of my Excel chart series, and these are the basics of stacked bar charts. Let's look at a stacked bar or column chart. This is a slight variation on the bar and column chart that we were looking at before. So we can select our data. We don't want the totals in this chart. Click Insert, and then click down on this column or bar chart option. And here we're going to select this option right here for a stacked column chart. As you can see from this little screen tip, it says that you can use this chart to compare parts of a whole and show how parts of a whole change over time. So we'll select that, and it gives us this little chart right here. And what we see is that each column is a sales representative, and each color within the column represents a quarter. So the example that we showed before of a bar chart or a column chart got a little messy and looked a little busy because it had so many bars. This is a little bit cleaner and shows you multiple things at the same time. So this chart shows us which sales representative had the most revenue for the entire year. Clearly that was Jim. But we can also see within Jim's column, looks like this second quarter is his best quarter that he had. You can even hover over each section of this chart to see the actual values that are being displayed. Again, depending on the data, we can use this switch row or column button to change what we're seeing. So now the columns themselves are quarters, and each little section within the column is a sales representative. This is another way that you can display your data. In order to display a stacked column chart, you have to have data that has multiple elements. So in this case, we've got a sales rep, and the sales rep has revenue for each quarter. So we're also tracking the quarters and sales reps. You kind of have to be tracking multiple things for a stacked chart to work.